Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to add a kids account to your CHiQ TV. So first let's go over to the settings. Now here click all settings and scroll down until you guys see the accounts and sign in. Now here go to kids accounts and now click a plus on add a kid. Here click get started. Now click add a kid, and then all you have to do is wait for stuff to initialize. For me it won't work as my network's connection not very good right now, but after that all you have to do is just confirm that you're the parent by giving your phone number and then typing in a verification code, and then your kid's account will be set up. So that's basically it. I hope it helped you, and if so, then leave a comment and a like and a subscription. Bye.